Prince Harry and Meghan Markle's car chase was a PR stunt?
According to multiple sources, including Elle, Page 6, and The News, Prince Harry and Meghan Markle's spokesperson has denied claims that their recent car chase in New York City was a PR stunt. The couple's publicist, Hansen, called the suggestion abhorrent and referenced Princess Diana's fatal car crash with paparazzi in 1997. Hansen also noted that the chase lasted over 2 hours and was near catastrophic. Despite these statements, some commenters, such as Kevin O'Sullivan, continue to question the authenticity of the event.